Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shallots Talk. Today I am going to do chicken gravy recipe. For doing this recipe, we need 3 chopped tomatoes, few coriander leaves and curry leaves, whole garam masala, that is bay leaf, cardamom, cinnamon and star anise, and here I have kept 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 2 spoons of coriander powder and some salt. You can just check based on your taste. 2 chopped onions, 1 green chilli, 2 small pieces of ginger and 10 garlic cloves. Small onions are shallots, and here I have kept half kg of chicken. I have marinated it for 1 hour with chili powder, salt, turmeric powder and some curd. Let's start doing this recipe. I have taken a mixie jar and added small onions, ginger and garlic into it, and we are going to grind it coarsely. I have grinded it coarsely and will keep this aside. You can take any kadai or pan as you wish. Our clay pot has heated up and I am going to add 3 tablespoons of oil. Today I am going to add sesame oil. If you want, you can add sunflower oil, groundnut oil as well. This I have added the whole garam masalas. We'll start frying it till the onions become transparent. Now we'll add few curry leaves into it. Onions has become transparent now. Now we will add the crushed ginger, garlic and onion paste. Let this fry for 2 minutes. Our onion, ginger, garlic paste is fried nicely and we will add tomatoes. Here I have added 3 tomatoes. If you want more gravy, you can add 4 as well. Break the tomatoes like this so that you will be getting nice gravy. At this stage we will add chickens. Make sure the flame should be in medium. Now we will add all the dry masalas. As I told you, I have taken 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 2 spoons of coriander powder and some salt. I am adding. If you want, you can add 2 tablespoons of curd, but I am not using it now because I have marinated it with chicken. I am going to fry this for 2 minutes and we will add water. I am adding 1 glass of water. At this stage, check and add chili powder and salt as you needed. Cook this on medium flame for 10 minutes and check in between. Friends, chicken has reached my desired consistency. So if you want it more dry, you can just keep it for some more minutes and you can switch it off.